Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. 1-0 win against King Faisal. Nabi Keita last minute goal gave us 3 points, 3 much needed points against King Faisal. I think when I saw the lineup, I felt it was a physical game because I didn't see any creativity in the game. I didn't expect creativity in the game because of the players that were fielded. They were less creative and more physical, so I didn't expect the scoreline to be that much like filled with goals. So I was expecting a tight game, and I'm glad they squeezed out all 3 points. Nabi Keita should be proud of himself for giving us that much needed win after that long spell of not winning games. So overall, I'm pleased that we are now back to our winning ways, and we are now fourth in the Ghana Premier League table. Fourth, we move up to fourth position in the Ghana Premier League table. I think it should be something that will motivate us and build our momentum as we go into our next game, and continue with this winning mentality, because we are the biggest club in Ghana and we should be winning almost all our games, if not all of them, because when Kotoko lose a game, it drains you. You think, you start having second thoughts and all that, but when they win, you can't explain the joy you have. So I'm extremely happy that Kotoko beat King Faisal today. If you go on Twitter, the King Faisal admin was yapping his mouth and making noise on how they are unbeaten in the last 3 games in that particular venue. We went there, Nabi Keita score. Now Kwame Poku played this game today, and this is his last game, and he'll be going to Algeria, and I think we wish him all the best. You just need to get a perfect replacement as soon as possible, because if we allow it to linger, we might struggle to score goals. As you can see that we now depend on him to score goals, just that we are lucky that Nabi Keita had his scoring or shooting boost today, and he scored that good goal, and much needed win was registered today. So I would like to know your thoughts on the win today. What do you think about today's win, and what do you expect from our games, our upcoming games, and what do you think of the overall performance? I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys, goodbye.